And that's finally tacked in there pretty good now. Well, I thought it was. Hi, and welcome back. As you can probably hear, not feeling too well today. Voice is kind of going, so just gonna kind of keep it kind of simple. Steven, I got your measurements right here. I'm gonna make them a little bit nicer before I send them to you. But I'll explain everything when in an email. But I got that measured for you. We're gonna put a brace between transmission tail and dash. Hopefully I cut it right and it fits in perfect. Figure if I got this right here, it might be strong enough to hold everything up. We'll do that, and then we'll start drilling out spot welds. I don't know how far we'll make it today. I may do a few and then do the rest off camera. And we'll try to see about taking some stuff off underneath here, since that PP blaster's been on it for a few days. And we'll try to take some pedals out too. Sorry about my voice again. We'll go over there and we'll start getting to work. All right, here's what we got done today. Went back over this a little bit with some more weld. I see some spots I still missed. Grind this deck back down, and that's finally tacked in there pretty good now. Well, I thought it was. It should be fine. I hope. When we're there, and then we found our spot weld holes, or spot welds. We punched, or tried to punch. Then I just pre-drilled them a little bit. So here are my spot weld cutter, or I think I might get one of those step drill bits and use that. We got those lined out pretty good. Not sure what these two down here are for, because it doesn't connect to anything. You can see. Even this one for that matter. So I don't know if maybe just a ding or something, but we got a couple here and all these through here. Need to take this off. I'm gonna try to save it if I can. And we got these up here. We see me use a heat gun. What is this rubber stuff? I'm not sure what it is, like body putty. But it kept that relatively nice, except for right here, and the kind of got water under it, I think. But heat gun with a little chisel or putty knife. We'll peel this stuff right up. I'm probably gonna go along this whole thing here and just get all this excess. And surely I don't need it around this flange. You can kind of see how it got kind of thick. So I want to get that all kind of down eventually. But then we got to do spot weld here. Then we have to cut the weld all the way around the dash and back up to where it meets the kick panel. Once it meets the kick panel, we can leave it on, and this whole thing should come out with the kick panel. It is my plan. I'm not 100% sure it's gonna happen or not, but we'll give it a shot and see how far we get. Yeah, a little bit of progress tonight, not much. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Throat's getting kind of dry, so I need to go and get something to drink, but do a little more touch up on this piece. We found out where we need a spot weld, drill those out. I may do the last few on camera, but I'm probably gonna do it off camera because I don't think you want to see me drilling holes for a whole video. So I might get that done this weekend, hopefully. Hopefully next video we'll be taking the kick panel and pillar off. We have a brace in there, we can see it, but we have that tacked in, and it's 9 inches from the dash to the top of the transmission tunnel, and it was 9 inches on both sides, so I think it's good to go. Shouldn't move any. And we need to start taking the pedals and everything out. Might do that next video too. The bigger it'll be easier to get the pedals out without the kick panel on. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like I always say, it does help the channel out a lot. It helps me out tremendously. Like I said before, we're gonna get the kick panel out next time, and then we'll start cutting the floor out. And we got most of the inner rocker out that we need to get. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fuel strap, that holder. We need to take it off and see if we can't save it. I actually try to use my blasting cabinet that I never used before and try to blast the rust off of it. But we'll try to save that. And I just need to go in there and make sure there's nothing that I'm gonna mess up when I cut. So I hate to cut through something I don't need to cut through. But we got a little bit of stuff to do before we start putting metal back on. But hopefully we'll get the metal back in here pretty soon. So yeah, anyways, thanks again for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something with a Bronco. I think this weekend I'm gonna try to shoot a couple short videos over the Camaro. You can't sitting out in the drive. And the Healy, we're gonna start the Camaro up and hopefully turn the Healy over a little bit just to get the pistons moving so they're not seized. And then we'll jump back on this and start taking stuff off. But anyways, thanks again, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.